Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about advanced JavaScript concepts, which are like advanced functions, and to be specific we're going to be talking about two of them, and the first one is higher order functions and the other one is function composition. To start with, I would like to mention what is a higher order function first. So a higher order function is a function that takes one or more function as arguments or returns those function as a result. So to write an example, let's consider that we have a higher order function that processes a data that we provide to it. It takes, let's say, an array, obviously, which is going to be the data array, and then let's say it's gonna filter that array according to our business logic, and then it's gonna return us that array as a transformed array, again according to depending on our business logic. So to get started, I would like to paste this data here. This is our data that we are going to be using, and I would like to write a function and call it process data, right? This process data function, as you can probably tell, it's gonna take a data and it's gonna take a filter function and it's gonna take a transform function. According to your application's needs, you can increase or decrease this number of parameters, and how you're gonna apply different filters, different business logics, it's all up to you. So you are totally flexible here, and I would like to directly return the data by filtering it according to our filter function, and I would like to map through this result and return a value how we specify in this transform function. I would like to filter these people by their age, and I would like to call a person adult if their age is equal or greater than 30. So in this case it should return us the Alice here, and let's create an arrow function here. By the way, if you'd like to get a video about arrow functions, leave a comment down below and I'll make a great example and explain what an arrow function is exactly. So this function will take a parameter which will come from this filter function, and since this is gonna be the filter function, we would like to filter these people by their age, as I said before. So person.age should be greater or equal to 30. So this is gonna be our filtering logic, and we would like to transform this data by getting their name. So I would like to say get name. Again, this is gonna get person as parameter here, which will come within this map here, and it's gonna return us the person.name. Save it, and I would like to get adults, right? I would like to do here is const adults equal to process data, and I'm gonna give the data that I have here, and I'm gonna give my filter function, is adult. This is how we apply the filter logic here, and then I would like to get transform. This is gonna transform the data that we filtered here to our needs, according to our needs. So I would like to get names. So if I do log here adults and save, as you can see, by the way, I totally misread this section here. It's 35, but I saw it as 25. That's why I just said Alice at the beginning, but it's obviously Alice and Charlie. So their age is equal or greater than 30. So this is returning as expected our data. So maybe we can modify this data and number of children, let's say Alice has 3 children and Bob has 1 children, and Charlie, let's say, has 5, right? If you would like to get the people who have children less than 5, so it's gonna be something like this: number of children. Let's keep this, and people with less than 5 children, a great name for a variable again. Person dot number of children less than 5. So here what I expect is to see Alice and Bob's name. So I'm gonna give this filter people, let's say filter people, and I'm gonna do something like this: log save. Okay, here we have Alice and Bob. So what we have done here is, I'm gonna close this so you can see better. So we created another filter logic here, and we said that filter this array where people who has less than 5 child, right? So this is as we can see, quite flexible. We use the same function without changing this main function, the higher order function, without touching it. We gave another parameter, another filter function that we decided to have, and it totally changed the data and how we would like to get it. So this is a great example, I believe. Hope you guys understood the higher order functions. Actually, I decided to make the function composition another video. I just want to keep this one short. I don't want to confuse you guys with 2 advanced concepts. So it's gonna be a different video, which is probably going to be the next video. So hope you guys understood the higher order functions in JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.